Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper handle. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the problem. Is the small pull tab gone, or is the main slider body broken? Perhaps the zipper teeth are misaligned, or the slider is simply stuck. Identifying the exact issue will guide your repair process. If only the pull tab is missing, this is an easy fix. You can temporarily use a small split ring, like from a keychain, or even a sturdy paperclip. For a more permanent solution, purchase a new metal or plastic pull tab. Simply loop it through the hole on your existing slider, ensuring it is firmly attached. A stuck or misaligned slider often just needs a little help. Try rubbing a pencil lead, which contains graphite, or a bar of soap along the zipper teeth. This acts as a lubricant. Then, gently work the slider back and forth. If teeth are bent, use small pliers to carefully straighten them, one by one. If the slider itself is broken, you will need to replace it. First, remove the old slider, often by carefully prying it open with pliers or cutting it off. Then, find a new slider that matches your zipper's size and type. Slide the new one onto the teeth, usually from the top, and test it to ensure it moves freely and closes the zipper properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.